like that.
The back of your mind warms with a rush of feeling, the Emperor's feeling. Heat, care, arousal. Breath merging into yours, cold, smelling faintly of vanilla and garlic. Its breathing quickens as you pull in close to its face, its excitement palpable. You pause a moment as a thought occurs to you. Where is a mind flayer's mouth? A memory stirs, diagrams in a book you read long ago. A mind flayer's mouth is underneath the tentacles.
I can make this easier for you if you like. My other form might be more familiar for you to navigate.
Everything you ever dreamt of and more. The single greatest experience of your life.
Sorry. You didn't leave me much energy to spare to maintain appearances.
It seems the tadpole allowed you to share more than you would have liked with your companions.
I said I'd protect you from the absolute, not each other. And I was distracted. Come. It's time to get dressed. We have work to do. We have communed with our minds entire at the deepest level. What else is there to say? We are bonded now, and it is time to consummate love with war. The Elder Brain's hive mind has grown to monstrous proportions, and through the Crown's magic, it has complete control over each and every member. It was intelligent before, but now, with its hive mind established across the city, it is well on its way to becoming indestructible. You should reconsider your attachment to your physical form. You have seen what an Illithid can do. You have experienced the pleasure for yourself. Imagine some of that could be in your grasp. Not enough to warp your appearance beyond recognition, but just enough to enhance your potential. It would make us even more compatible, as well as radically increasing our chances of success against the Elder Brain. Think on it.
Come to bask in the glow of the Moon Maiden's sword? Be most welcome.
Moving in. I should speak up.
Need something? Go ahead. I'm listening.
What's on your mind? Come for a chat?
The dog wags his tail, a small bag clenched between his teeth. He gives in and surrenders his find to you. Scratch's tongue lolls out happily, his tail wagging even faster.
We see, we know. Nah, don't know how to swim.
Must have been some other oozing, stinking lump floating downstream.
What's this, cousin? Another absolutist, come to see what we did to poor old Sarin. Your god took her mind, cultist, so Bereki took her head, and I burned the flesh from her bones. And now you come to interrupt the funeral rites. Yes, cousin. An excellent idea. Cousin says we will take you in return. He says you look just like kindling for Sarin's funeral pyre. Of course you don't. Sarin, Bereki, and I made our coin by going unnoticed. The finest thieves in the city. Until we met with Gortash and he sent the cult after us. Your fellow cultists hunted us, so we hid down here. We were safe, and so was our loot, until the darkness soured Sarin's mind. She kept our treasure from us, said Bereki and I had gone strange. Hush, cousin. Sarin turned into a cultist herself, so we did what we had to. Bereki wept until his voice was gone, and then he was gone too, leaving only me to conduct Sarin's rites. And my cousins here. You cannot conduct the rites without a clan to bear witness, or some fuel for the fire. Good. That is good. She deserves more than me. Pay your respects as you pass, then. And do not come back. This is Saren's final resting place, and a killing ground for all who come to disturb her.
Troublemakers.
Shut up and keep your mucky little peepholes peeled.
That river, down there.
Wizard called it the SEWERS.
Whatever it's called, it's impressive. And it tastes great.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times. These boots have seen everything. That might be worth a look.
A hero at heart. Best foot forward. That might be worth a look. Time for a chat.
The penitent looks at you silently, expectantly. There is the slightest flicker of acknowledgement in his eyes.
Let's move.
Penitent blinks, you think? You were dismissed.
There is work to do.
Best keep your hands to yourself. You're being watched.
Looking ahead. At the ready. Seems simple enough. Let's have a look.
My skin's got colder than the beasts of the day. Seems intruders aren't welcome. On the victor's path. Let my enemies fall.
Breathing, despite everything. Here goes nothing. Invinia, fear!
Heading there. Take your
death. Forever dauntless. Coming through.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
No escape. Battle favors the fearless. Making my move.
Blood comes easy these days.
A little help, please.
No holding back. Finding my way.
Never a dull moment.
Take you. Fast. I need healing.
Let's get going.
A long way to go still.
Sharp as ever.
My faith will guide me.
Time to get going. Better not be cursed. Something good here, I hope. Never wanted the easy path.
Let's talk.